Hi folks, welcome to Yonkers Farm here in the lovely Waitakere Ranges. We're here today for the Land Rover Above and Beyond tour. So what we're going to do this afternoon is we're going to enjoy a tour of the farm and a road drive in these lovely Land Rover vehicles. Hopefully we'll be able to show you some unique features of the Land Rovers, and we hope you will enjoy the ride as much as we do. The Land Rover Above and Beyond Tour is a national event with driving experience days hosted by professional driving instructors held in Auckland, Waikato, Hawke's Bay, Christchurch and Dunedin, with support from the local Land Rover dealership teams. The Above and Beyond Tour has a short road drive where you can get behind the wheel of the latest Range Rover vehicles, including the Evoque, the Velar, the Sport and the Vogue. Alongside the other Above and Beyond Tour guests, we took the vehicles through a number of challenging obstacles, including the off-road safari, the technical challenge, and the Don't Spill a Drop driving challenge, which was a nerve-wracking experience to say the least. The professional team of driving instructors make sure that everyone is well briefed and comfortable with the exercises they are about to undertake. It's a lot of fun getting someone else's vehicles covered in sticky wet mud, and thankfully all the vehicles are supplied with heavy-duty Land Rover rubber floor mats.